How to remove Apple ID from a stolen or a lost device. To remove your Apple ID from a stolen or a lost iPhone, right? So basically you open your browser. Now even if you don't have access to a new phone, you can open your browser from your laptop also, right? So from there what you have to do is you have to simply go to icloud.com/find. I repeat, icloud.com/find. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below, and there you simply have to sign into your Apple ID. So just go ahead and then sign into your Apple ID. It will show you a list of devices where your Apple ID was previously logged in, or even if your iPhone was lost, you'll be able to find the devices that was lost. So here you can see the previous device over here. So what you have to do is simply tap on that particular device. You can just tap on this option called lost iPhone to report it as lost, or tap the erase button to erase all the data from here completely, in this case to erase all those data as well. That will remove the option to wipe your personal data. After the erase is complete, you can select remove from account to disable activation lock and remove the phone from your Apple ID. But if it is lost, why would you want to remove the Apple ID? Because you want the phone to be locked forever and not have the stealer or the thief of that phone have access to your iPhone permanently. So just report it as lost iPhone in this case as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.